Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic movement that you're gonna love, and I'm calling it the bird dog on a wall. So I had a video about crawling on a wall like this with your feet on the ground and your hands on the wall, and I'm not gonna do that here because it makes a mess of the mirrors. And somebody asked me, they wrote in and told me a way they like to crawl on the wall, and I apologize, I completely did not understand what they were saying. So if you're listening or watching, please send me a video. But so I started playing on the wall, and I found something that I was like, man, I love this. And I'm gonna show you right now. So what you do is get a nice sturdy wall, and I'm gonna show you two things. So you try to get your head in between your hands so that your arms are vertical towards the wall or perpendicular to the wall. Your arms are gonna be completely horizontal, parallel to the floor, I guess. Hopefully, somewhere in there. Anyway, and one thing you can do is to lower a hand down and just sink like that way. And this feels really awesome. And then you can do the other hand. And when you let go of the wall with one hand and you start to lower this hand to the floor, something wonderful happens in the shoulder girdle. Everything just feels so connected. And obviously you could crawl up and down like this. And just hanging out here and breathing and wedging this hand into the wall feels really awesome. It feels strong. All right, so that's one thing we can do. The next thing we can do is, well, we can add a bird dog to it. And so now I'm really wedging between this leg and this arm, reaching for the ground and lengthening through this leg and the arm that's on the wall. And this, well, it's kind of magical. This is a great way to strengthen your shoulders, strengthen the muscles around your scapula. It just connects your body. And you don't need a lot of space. You just need a wall that you don't mind getting handprints on and a floor. And most people have floors. But that's it. It's a bird dog or just a crawl on the wall. Well, I really showed you three things. You could just hang out here and breathe and sink down like your chest towards the floor. That's one thing. You could crawl up and down. You can add your head into it. Now you got head nods. I guess I'm showing you like 5 different things here. It's a good day. And you can also do the bird dogs. And this is pretty wonderful. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Tell me about those new, strong, happy shoulders that you've got. All right, I'm Tim. This is Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.